Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 3 of SDE challenge and here are the 3 questions for the today. First one is about the rotate image. Next question is about merge two sorted arrays and last question is about the merge the intervals. So I have solved all of these 3 questions. Let's see how we can solve this one by one and at last we will see the code of each of them. So rotate an image. For example, here is an given array. 2D array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to rotate them. For example, how? 1, 2, 3. Now it become 1, 2, 3. Here is the column. Here is the row. Now it become the column. 4, 5, 6 column. So here is the two brute force. There is two methods. First of all, brute force. Next is one is optimal. What we can do? We can create one more 2D array and place the exact value of this to its exact location. So once we will done this, it will be simple. But the optimal way is to first transpose the matrix and then reverse it. So what is meant by transpose? For example, if I just simply shift the rows to column 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9. So what will be happen? The diagonal will be remain over here same 159 159 will be same, but this 2 4 3 7 and 6 8, you can see they are just swapped their position. So what we can do, perform the transpose and later we can just swap this their location and we will get this output. So this is rotate image. We have solved in both the ways, brute force and optimal. Next is about merge to sorted array. So here what is given questions. For example, here I will be having my num1 with extra empty spaces and num2 which will be save over here. It is already both the arrays are already sorted. I have to place this nums2 in this nums1 in such a way that I should not use any extra space, or just I have to rearrange them in sorted order. So we can, if we want to go for the brute force, we can create one more array, or we can just directly push this in it and sort the vector nums1 dot begin to nums dot end. Another thing what we can do over here, for example, we can use a three pointer approach, I j k. Okay, so what we will do? Compare I and j value. Here I and j, 5 and 6, which is bigger? 6. So we will place the 6 over here, move the j over here. Now compare 4 or 5. Now 5 is greater, so we will push the 5 over here and I minus minus. Now j is over here, I is over here, and k is over here. So just we will keep continuing unless and until my nums I is less than 0 or 2 is less than 0. And we have to also put the while loop if my all the i's become 0 but 2 is still remaining here. So unless and until my 2 is not become 0, we will keep iterating and close this loop. Next is about the merge interval. So this question is little bit tricky. For example, we will given a 2D vector or 2D array, and there will consist of the some numbers like 2 3 4 5, and we have to arrange them. For example, if I will take the example over here, pair of 1 2 and pair of 2 4. So this can be written is in such a way 1 comma 4, because 1 2 2 it is a overlapping kind of overlapping. So we have to sort it in such a way, we have to compress it. So using this merge interval we can compress. So what we have to do, first of all we have to sort, create a new vector, then we have to iterate. And here is the logic. It is something like this: if new vector, the new vector I have created, it is empty, so directly we will push this element. For example, I have created just new vector. Now it does not consist of any value, so I will directly push my 1 comma 2 over here. Okay, nothing issue. So for first loop I had iterated. Next I will navigate to 2 comma 4. Now what it will check, if new vector last pair, this last pair, new vector last pair is 1 comma 2, and current value, if current value is this 2 comma 4 is less than, is it less? No, not less. It is not less, so we will move to the next. So now what if it is moving to the next, we will merge over here. Or if it's something like this, if it will become begins from 5 comma 6, so as a result it is less, so we will push it over here 5 comma 6. We have solved all of these three questions over the lead code. So here is the solution of them for the merge interval merge sorted array. So that's it for the day, guys. Thank you, and let's keep continuing solving the next few days. So bye bye.